go ahead.
Mātou te whātalo whātu i le mamalu o le ekalesia. Susule sunga i whawhengainga mai whalitua. Sunga i awao mo latu whalitua. Te o lava i mamalu lau telo o le ekalesia. I alo mo whanau. Ia o le proklama nei ale au talvau le o asa whaingoina o le sifululua aso a o lumanae le Kerismasi. Ia o le aso sifulono nei le masina o atonu o le aso nei o wha tulangaina mo le ainga mo le mato ma ainga o tau mai le lei e taria ma le whanau. Ia o le atang whai atu le whanau o le asina mea o lato mo whaia a wal proklama lau talvau ma le aunga sa a whai foi le whamali ino o tō whinangalo le tau whainga al whanau ia whamali a whenoa le teimi o lato watu loa le whanau ia manuia lawan i sam whai.
Nana. Hi, good morning, church family. Let me take this off because I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but just stepped away, took a little break from work to come and do my little short video for you guys, my little testimony, I guess, and my Christmas greetings. So happy holidays and Merry Christmas, because I do still say Merry Christmas, because I celebrate Christmas because of Jesus Christ. I do celebrate, I guess, the materialistic things and getting people presents because I want to make sure that everyone is happy and gets what they want. What I want for Christmas is I just want my family to be healthy. I want my family to be together. A lot of times I get upset at my dad because my dad will call like this big family gathering. Then he'll show up at my brother's house and he'll be sleeping across the street under the tree, or he'll be sleeping in the garage. But for him, it's just important that everybody gets together. And you know, we all know how dysfunctionally functional our family is, because it will take forever and everybody calling everyone and everyone wanting to rip everyone's head off to get together. But when we're together, it's this weird kind of happiness where we're all laughing, we're all sitting around, and that's what my dad wants for us. We know that. My dad wants his kids to grow up fellowshipping and just being together as a family, and his grandkids. This year we decided to do virtual Christmas so that nobody gets sick, because, you know, my husband works on a truck. He goes into people's homes every day to do deliveries. I work in this huge warehouse. My sisters work at the airport. I have a couple other sisters in retail. So we are around a lot of people all day. So we decided to do virtual this year. But I know how my dad is. I know that my dad's gonna, you know, he said he's gonna go have breakfast at Mafal's house and then go have lunch at Junior's house and then come have dinner with us. Of course, I told him that's fine, but you gotta bring my turkey because I can't cook a turkey. But yeah, knowing my dad, we will probably, even though we said virtual, we will probably all get together and spend Christmas together. But just my little Christmas wish for you guys is stay safe out there. COVID is still out here. It's still out. A couple people at work out with it. And just everybody stay safe. I'm very blessed. I can say that I'm very blessed that my daughter is out doing, living her life up in Northern California, far away from us. But I'm happy that she's happy, and I'm happy that she's good. My son, although he misses playing football and soccer and being in school and being around his friends, he's safe. He's healthy. My husband is healthy. My stepson out in Tennessee, he's doing great. And then our son with Luis with us, we're blessed. We are a very blessed family. I still have my parents around, and I love that. I love that, my dad can call or text me and drive me crazy, but I look at my phone, I'm like, oh my gosh, what now, Dad? But I love it. I love those calls. I love those text messages, and I just love our family. And I may have gone on babbling, but this is probably like the 14th or 15th time that I've recorded this video, tried to record this video, because I really don't know what to say. But at the end of the day, or at the end of everything, I do miss you guys all. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you guys are doing. If anybody needs anything or whatever, if anyone's out there struggling, give me a call. I'm not, I love to help.
Hello, my name is Olivia.
What's your name?
Hello, my name is Lon.
And you, what's your name? My name is Leah. Hi, we're the Quintanar family. course, I'm the youngest of Yoang and Letelia's children. We wanted to share our little video tonight, even though our kids already went ahead and sang the Christmas song for the Christmas program. When I first heard about us having to do a Christmas special thing for, I didn't know what I was gonna do, and most of the time I rely on my kids to kind of help with that because they're better at, you know, doing the singing and stuff. I think I've outgrown that or gotten too old for it, and my husband doesn't have much of a singing voice. But we just wanted to come on here and share a little, just wanted to share a little bit of the kind of year that we've had. Yeah, COVID has been a factor. We've lost a lot of people to it. We've also lost a lot of people just to natural born causes. Caesar lost an uncle this year. I can't keep count, and we did lose someone close to our household who lost his life to COVID. A lot of life changes that we had to go through the year. I did have to minimize my schedule to be home with the kids and finally take the pressure off of my mom to watch my kids. So I've learned a lot about what kind of patience that she's had to deal with raising us, and then me having to deal with that every day. And it's something that I wouldn't change for the world. Being here for my girls has been our blessing this year, is for us to be able to spend more time with our kids. I know that there's been a lot of losses with jobs and with everything that's been going on in this world, not just COVID, but, you know, with social injustice and just things being limited to us. And this is what we do every day now, and we wouldn't change it for anything. This year, Christmas is going to be a little different for us because we won't be spending it with my family. We'll just be spending it here at our house this year. Same thing with Caesar's family. We won't be celebrating it with them together this year. We've decided to do a virtual this year just to kind of keep things under wraps and not, with COVID running rampant, we just kind of want to keep things safe. It's a lot to adjust to, and as you can see, Leah is our biggest adjustment. Leah, turn around, say hi. Hi. Well, we just want to thank you guys for giving us this opportunity to to come forth and say Merry Christmas to our family at Second Samoa, and for never forgetting us, for always thinking about my kids and always keeping us in prayer. Our little family here, you guys never ever forget us. You guys are always keeping us in mind. You guys are always texting us and messaging me, and to know that we still have you guys, to know that we are still part of the family at Second Samoan means the world to us. So we want to say thank you. We want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. We love you guys. You want to say something, husband?
Hope everyone's staying safe. Merry Christmas. Don't forget the Dodgers won the 2020 World Series.
All right. Thank you, guys. We love you.
My name is Moment Dorsey. Hi, my name is Donald. My name is David Bryant. And my name is Ty Bryant.
What about your brother?
And what about this one? Who's
My
that?
name is this is Tommy. This is Tommy. This is Tommy. Okay, we don't sing a song.
Ready?
We wish you Merry Christmas.
1, 2, 3, go.
Merry. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. And the jingle bell has begun. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring, jingle bells ring. And the frosty air. Well, the time is the right time to let the night away. Jingle bell time is a slow time. And a one-horse sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Houston, ring a ring, jingle ring. That's the jingle bell rhyme. Jingle bell rock. Jingle bell rhyme. Jingle bell rock. In the frosty air.
Ice cream.
Bright sun is the right time to let the night away. Jingle bell time is the right time to go out in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle bells, jingle free. Jingle all around the cloud. Mix and mingle and jingle and ring. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock.
Say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
From our family to yours.
Happy family
From
to
our
yours.
family.
From our family.
From our family to yours.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
kisses.
Mwah. Mwah.
Ya, e whamalulu atu, whaisila aiti to maiti, whainita tere ta ofi. O sitam whainga vai nā whanau. Ya, ole aso ata o watu whato lo mai le singa le o ia nā lo mai loto, ma le ainga, le tengi se wha o matu le proklama o tameti, una oia tatu po, ya, okay, sing.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Manuia le Kerisimasi. Manuia le Kerisimasi. Manuia le Kerisimasi. Maletau sangafo.
Ia tele Christmas i tato e kāresia, na ese le tina matua, ia, tō wha so i fua.